Rolex, a name synonymous with luxury, precision, and timeless elegance. But have you ever wondered how these iconic timepieces are crafted? Today we're taking you on an exclusive journey through the intricate process of making a Rolex watch. Our journey begins at the Rolex headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Here, every Rolex watch is born, combining centuries-old craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. The first step is metal casting. Rolex uses only the highest quality materials, such as 904L stainless steel, 18-karat gold, and platinum. These metals are melted and cast into solid blocks, which will later be transformed into the various components of the watch. This process ensures that each Rolex watch is not only beautiful, but also incredibly durable and resistant to corrosion. Next, we move on to machining. Advanced CNC machines meticulously carve the metal blocks into precise shapes, creating the case, bracelet, and other components. Each piece is then hand-finished by skilled artisans to achieve Rolex's signature polish and shine. One of the most intricate parts of a Rolex watch is its movement. The movement is the heart of the watch, responsible for keeping accurate time. Highly trained watchmakers assemble hundreds of tiny components by hand, ensuring each movement meets Rolex's stringent standards for precision. Once assembled, the movement undergoes rigorous testing and calibration. Rolex uses state-of-the-art technology to simulate real-world conditions and ensure the movement performs flawlessly. This process can take up to several days, with each movement being tested for accuracy, shock resistance, and waterproofness. With the movement perfected, it's time to add the dial and hands. The dial is the face of the watch, often adorned with precious materials and intricate designs. Skilled craftsmen carefully place each marker and apply the lume, ensuring readability in any lighting condition. The final step is assembly. The movement, dial, and case are brought together, and the watch is sealed to ensure water resistance. Every Rolex watch undergoes a series of final quality control checks, including pressure testing and visual inspections, to guarantee it meets Rolex's exacting standards. Once every detail has been perfected, the watch is carefully packaged and ready to be shipped to its new owner. From start to finish, the process of creating a Rolex watch is a testament to human ingenuity, precision engineering, and timeless craftsmanship. So the next time you see a Rolex on someone's wrist, remember the incredible journey it has taken. A journey of passion, dedication, and excellence. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at how Rolex watches are made. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the world of luxury and craftsmanship. Until next time.